Namaskar. Immunity is one of the most important factors for our health and wellness. Immunity protects us from all seasonal changes, pollution, and other external factors. Today, I'm going to give you a recipe for a drink that has a power to naturally boost your immunity. It is known as Amla Immunity Drink. So let's take a closer look to how to make this drink and how it can help to overcome the diseases. For one serving of immunity drink, you will need 3 amla, half-inch ginger piece, few curry leaves, half teaspoon turmeric, half teaspoon black pepper powder, and a pinch of salt. Let's understand how to prepare this drink. Wash the amlas thoroughly well and remove their seeds. Chop them into smaller pieces. Peel and chop ginger into small slices. In a blender, combine amla, ginger slices, curry leaves, turmeric, black pepper powder, and pinch of salt. Add little water and blend this ingredient nicely. Adjust the consistency by adding more water if desired. Drink this when it is freshly made. Now, amla is full of vitamin C and antioxidants. It gives power to your white blood cells and antibodies to fight against diseases. Amla's antioxidant also fights against oxidative stress to reduce inflammation. Ginger adds a strong flavor. It also helps to calm down the inflammation and protect you from infection. It is very friendly to your digestive system. And we all know that a happy tummy contributes to a happy immune system. Curry leaves aren't just about flavors and aroma, they are packed with minerals, vitamins, and antioxidants, which all will work together to fight bacteria. And yes, they also help to maintain a smooth digestive tract. The curcumin compound in turmeric actively regulates your immune response and helps to keep away diseases causing microbes. This curcumin in turmeric is better absorbed in body if you take it along with piperine, which is found in black pepper. This Amla Immunity Drink, made from these all powerful natural ingredients, will surely boost your immunity if you take it daily on an empty stomach. With such healthy diet choices, along with a right lifestyle, you can look forward confidently to a better immunity, especially when the seasonal changes are there. Take care. Namaskar.